to board on. Not because that you can't, or it is, kind of has a lot of people in it, but because it is so difficult, because it requires a lot of money. You have to have a lot of M power, money power, and you also have to have the kind of fortune. And we are extremely fortunate. With me is Nitin Bhai. Nitin Bhai is the man who knows every nook and corner of this very beautiful train. Nitin Bhai, a lot of people are going to be watching you. Please tell us something more about Maharaja Express. छोटे-मोटे ऐसे कुछ अगर trivias आप हमारे साथ share करना चाहे तो.
So when we talk about the trivia part of it,
Please.
I can say this is something which is very unique experience, especially when you love trains.
Right.
The people all around the world, they end up landing over here just to have an experience of Maharaja Express, because where you are right now, this is one of the best trains in the world.
Absolutely, and I second him, and there's no argument on that. और कितने coaches हैं इसमें?
8 16 है. Along with, you will come across these 2 generators on each end.
Right.
And engine keeps moving here and there. Along with that, staff bogie is there where the staff goes. And then we have 2 restaurants, and we have a lounge, we have a bar section.
24 hours bar.
Earlier there used to be a complete gym and spa and everything, which has been changed.
Okay. With time, things change, things evolve, people evolve. A lot of people would want to know कि boss इसका fare क्या है?
See, fare keeps changing, but right now I think currently it is running roughly between $8,000 for a 7-rate trip.
Okay.
Plus GST.
Okay. So which means about 6-6.5 लाख रुपए plus GST.
For the base category.
ओके तो यहाँ पे बैठने के 10 लाख रुपए लग जाते हैं.
आराम से.
भोलेनाथ की कितनी कृपा है यार. मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ नितिन भाई, I'll tell you as a friend, as a younger brother. I started my career and मैं जमशेदपुर जाता था कलकत्ते से, जमशेदपुर से कलकत्ता, कलकत्ते से जमशेदपुर जाता था. 80 रुपए टिकट के लगते थे. वो भी क्या वक्त था जब हम लोग नॉन AC ट्रेन पे चले जाते थे, AC ट्रेन पे चले जाते थे. और मैं बॉम्बे रहा हुआ हूँ, वहाँ पे मैंने बहुत लोकल ट्रेन के चक्करें काटी है मैंने. और देखिए मेरे भगवान ने मुझे फर्श से अर्श पे बिठा दिया. And I'm so lucky, I'm so blessed, and Voila, cheers to that. Thank you so much.
Cheers to that.